इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना।
Life is a teaching and learning process where we learn more than we teach. Discover yourself. Welcome to Himalayan Group of Professional Institutions located at Kala Amb Yamunanagar Highway, spread over an area of around 25 acres of flourishing green land surrounded with soothing and peaceful hilly environment. The Himalayan Group, working with the mission to develop skilled, educated and dedicated manpower in the field of engineering, law, education, nursing, pharmacy, management and computer science. The institution is being run under the energetic and revered chairman, Mr. Rajneesh Bansal, a young, dynamic personality full of vigor and leadership qualities with a professional experience of corporate and academics for more than 20 years. The Himalayan Group is running 7 professional institutes successfully, such as Himalayan Institute of Engineering and Technology, Himalayan Polytechnic, Himalayan Institute of Management, Himalayan Institute of Computer Science, Himalayan Institute of Bee Pharmacy, Himalayan Institute of Nursing, BSc and GNM, Himalayan College of Education, B.Ed, Himalayan College for Law, 3 years and 5 years. The institutes are affiliated to Himachal Pradesh University Shimla and has prescribed syllabus. At Himalayan, our endeavor is to shape and groom young minds by providing them the atmosphere where they can learn, relearn, experience and grow. The faculty includes a fine mix of experience in academics and corporate. The Himalayan Group is providing best infrastructure to its various institutes. All the institutes are having separate computerized libraries which are well stocked with specialized books, magazines, national and international journals. Well-equipped labs, workshops having ultra-modern equipments for practical knowledge and carrying out experiments. Cohesive team of experienced faculty members are seamlessly interwoven with high student initiatives and participation in collaborative learning processes. The students are exposed to guest lectures by experts in related fields and have regular interaction with industries through industrial visits, etc. Regular workshops and seminars are conducted on communication and personality development. Creative thinking and group discussions are a part of daily activities. Students are also encouraged to participate in co-curricular and cultural activities. A healthy mind lives in a healthy body. That's why Himalayan Group provides its students an opportunity to play games. Buses commuting for students from different areas. Separate boys and girls hostels. Today, the Himalayan Group is a front-runner when it comes to interface between academics and corporate world.
Hello, I am Neha Kashyap from Nahan. Right now I am pursuing MBA from Himalayan Institute of Management, Kala. Being a part of this institute, I am feeling really proud because My institute is providing different opportunities to become successful in my life.
मैं राजदीप कौर BSc नर्सिंग थर्ड ईयर ਹਿਮਾਲਿਅਨ ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਦੀ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਫਰੈਂਡ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਫੋਨ ਕਰਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮੰਮਾ ਨੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਬੇਟੀ ਹਿਮਾਲਿਅਨ ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਆਫ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਰਸਿੰਗ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਫੋਲੋ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੋਈ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ आई और साड़ी जो ट्रेनिंग है क्लिनिकल ट्रेनिंग साइकैट्रिक ट्रेनिंग पीडियाट्रिक ट्रेनिंग और गायनी ट्रेनिंग बहुत अच्छी और वेल डिवेलप्ड हॉस्पिटल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ।
मैं विक्रांत कटोच पॉलीटेक्निक का डिप्लोमा करा कंप्यूटर साइंस से आने को हर तरह की फैसिलिटी दी गई है। स्पोर्ट्स फैसिलिटीज़ हैं, लाइब्रेरीज हैं, लैब्स हैं, लाइब्रेरी से हर तरह की बुक्स हैं जिससे आन नॉलेज मिल सके पा रही थी। टीचर बड़े अच्छे हैं ना, कोऑपरेटिव हैं ताकि बच्चे जी प्रॉब्लम सोल्व कर सकन।
Himalayan Group focuses on personal scale and group learning environment. This flows from the guiding principles and values of the Himalayan Group. Himalayan Group of Professional Institutions, Kala Aam, an industrial hub just 50 kilometers from Chandigarh, district Sirmaur, Himachal Pradesh.